This video will show you how to reserve study spaces at the DVC library. Starting from the library homepage, look for the link called Study Spaces. You can reserve study rooms at either the Pleasant Hill or San Ramon library locations. Both libraries offer two different types of spaces: group study rooms, which can hold up to 6 people, and study pods, which are meant for only 1 person. The availability page shows which study spaces are available and which have been reserved already. Click on the blue boxes to begin ranking your reservation. Once you click, the boxes will turn brown to show that your reservation is in progress. You can use the pull-down menu at the bottom of the screen to make your reservation shorter or longer using 15-minute increments. Once you're happy with your reservation times, click on the button at the bottom that says Submit Times. This will take you to the Terms and Conditions page. Please review these so you know what to expect while using the study spaces. After you agree to the terms, the next page will prompt you for your name, email, and some other information we need to complete your reservation. Please note, you can reserve study rooms up to 2 weeks in advance for up to 3 hours each day. Use the arrows above the availability grid to skip ahead to future days. If you need to cancel your reservation, look for the confirmation email you received when you made your reservation. You'll find the cancellation link in that email message. If you have a question about reserving a study room or anything else to do with the DVC library, ask a librarian.